Hey crocheters, this is Shannon with Dogwood Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet the primrose stitch. So I posted an introduction to this stitch on my Instagram, and you all had requested a full tutorial that walks you through step by step how to achieve this look. So I hope you enjoy this video. And please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already so that you don't miss any new videos. So let's get started. I'm going to be using some medium weight yarn, so number 4, and a 5mm crochet hook, but you could use any weight of yarn and any size crochet hook that you want. So we're going to start by making a slip knot. And then we want to start with our chain. So our chain should be a multiple of 3 plus 2. So I'm going to chain 20. So that'll be 18 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So now we have our chain 20. And now for our first row, we are going to be working into the back bumps of our chain. So if you're looking at your chain like this, if you flip it over, you can see the back bumps. So we're going to be working under those. And we're going to start by working into the third chain from our hook. So the loop that's on our hook does not count. We're going to count over 1, 2, and 3. We're going to work into that back bump, and we're going to start by doing a single crochet. So I'm just going to place my hook under that back bump, do a single crochet, then I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to place another single crochet into that same chain. And then we are going to skip 2 chains, and we're going to work into the next chain with a single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet into that same chain that we just worked into. We're going to skip 2 chains and work into the third, do a single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. So we just continue this along the rest of our foundation chain. So skip 2, work into the third, and in each of those third chains you place a single crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet, all into that same chain. All right, we're almost there. Okay, so now we should have 2 chains left at the end. And what we're going to do is we're going to half double crochet into this last chain. So we're going to skip over this one, and then we're going to half double crochet into our last chain. All right, then we're going to chain 3 and turn. So here's what our first row looks like. you should kind of have these points sticking up, and those are the chain 2 spaces that are sticking up. So we just chained 3 and turned. So this chain 3 will count as a double crochet. And now what we're going to do is we're going to be working into our chain 2 space. So we're going to skip over these stitches here, and we're just going to work into that chain 2 space. We're going to place 3 double crochet into that chain 2 space. Just like that. And then we're going to skip over the next 2 single crochets and work into the chain 2 space again, 3 double crochets. So now you can see we have kind of these clusters of double crochets. And we just continue this for the rest of the row. So 3 double crochets into each chain 2 space across. So while I'm finishing this up, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite weight of yarn to work with? Do you like really lightweight yarn, or do you like super chunky, bulky yarn, or something in between? Okay, now we're coming up on our last chain 2 space. Just going to place my 3 double crochets into that space. And then we're going to place 1 last double crochet into this chain 2 space from when we first started. So from the kind of previous row, or the row below our first row. And then we are going to chain 1 and turn. Now we are going to work 1/2 double crochet into this first stitch here. And then we're going to look at our cluster of 3 double crochet. So we want to be working into this middle double crochet of the 3. So in this case, we're just going to skip over 1 stitch and we're going to work into the next stitch. We're going to place 1 single crochet and chain 2 and a single crochet into that same stitch. And now we want to work into this middle double crochet again. So we're going to skip over the next 2 stitches and we're going to single crochet, chain 2, single crochet all into that same stitch. So this is creating those points again and the chain 2 spaces that we can work into with our 3 double crochet for the next row. So then just skip over the next 2 stitches, work into that middle double crochet, do a single crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet all into that same stitch. We just do that all the way across. And then this is our last one. And then we have this turning chain 3 here. We're going to work a 1/2 double crochet into that, and then chain 3 and turn. So that's it. Now we're just going to repeat what we did for row 2. So we have our chain 3, and then we're going to place 3 double crochet into our chain 2 space. And we just do that all the way across. And then for our next row, we will repeat the single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all into the same space across. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to crochet the primrose stitch. And please like this video, give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.